Xin chào mọi người, hello and how are you? In today's video I'm gonna be walking around in London in famous area. This area years ago it used to be really rough and kind of was scaring people off, it was dangerous to walk around, but over the years it changed a lot. The name of this place is Brixton, and today I'm gonna do a walk around and I want to show you how this place looks like. You can still see some weird people walking around, but it's not as bad as it used to be. And first stop is going to be Brixton Station. That's the starting point for today, guys. I haven't been here for a long time, and I'm also interesting to see. Oh, I've got the guy who plays with the drum. Hello. Right, so that's Brixton Underground Station. You can get a tube and go to the city, and we'll see if I can still find that market. Wow, this is so strange. Okay, so I think I can see the market. So today is Monday. I'm not sure if the market's still working, but hopefully we'll find something. Yes, and I can see there's something there. Right, so that's the market. Hello! Okay, so that's the market. You can buy some clothing in here. It's like African clothing. And you've got some more stuff in there. And then as we walk along, we got more stuff. I can see some fruits, some stuff for the housing as well. Got selling some hats in there as well. Well, so I say it's quite busy here. A bit more noisy than that, people playing music and all that, Okay, let's have a look what else they've got. And also, I'm not sure how safe it is to walk in here. Probably during the day is fine, but in the evening, I don't know. I'll probably stay away from here. Like years ago, it used to be quite dangerous to walk in this kind of area, but now, with every year, it's getting better and better. Got some selling some fruits in here. Wow, they look really fresh. Wow. Okay. And I think if we go straight, we can go to another marketplace, which is under the roof. And in there we can find some restaurants. If I remember good, I haven't been there for many years now, but we can go there and try it. Well, okay, so that's the road in here. So there you can find the trains, not the underground, but the trains that goes to other places, other cities. Got another little market there. Okay, so that's where we want to go. That's okay. Brixton Village. Okay, that's a bit more chilled out in there. Yeah, so I'm walking and I'm thinking, is someone going to grab my camera or something, Okay, so they've got some. Okay, they sell some seafood in here. Wow. Okay, what are they got in there? Wow. Mainly fish in here. Okay. Got some clothing. As I said, yeah, they've got like many restaurants in here where you can sit down, chill out, have some food. There's a strange smell in here. Okay, so we go this way, or maybe we can walk in there a little bit. What they've got like shops in here. Sell some things for the housing. Oh, that's another nice Lights of Africa. Okay, that looks good. Okay, got some African clothing in here. Wow, that's actually nice. Wow, got a lot of stuff in here. I actually really like this place. I remember years ago I used to come in here to hang out, but now it's a little bit changed. No? Okay, so if we walk more, okay, more restaurants in here. Sorry. Okay, so that way we've got more restaurants, but we're going to go this way because I've seen something else in there I want to check out. See people just chilling out, having some food or beers, whatever. Another place, they probably sell some pizzas or Bass Fred, maybe, yeah, pizzeria. Yeah, so this area is pretty chilled out. I like in here. As you can see, there's a bit of a vibe, music playing on. Okay, what else we've got? Got some more restaurants down this way as well. Another place where they sell probably pizza or chicken, maybe burgers in here. Sell some burgers. Okay, so now we're going out of this little village or the marketplace, and we'll see where we can go next. Right, so I remember years ago in here there was a different building, and some guys in here, like all the weekends, they used to play some music really loud and drink brandy or whatever. Wow, that's so cool. That's a nice bridge in here. Wow. Okay, so where we are now, I don't know. Well, let's go maybe this way. Okay, so I'm going past this, I'm going towards the street where I've been before. So I think we're going to walk past that train station, as I mentioned to you, and then we're gonna go to see to one more place. I hope I can find it. Remember when I was young, we used to come here to some nightclubs, and I think there was a club, Brixton Academy or something, and we used to go there to, obviously, to have some fun, you know. So I want to go there again and to see if I can find that place. Hopefully I can still hold my camera in my hands when I pass the street. Some more shops in here. Wow, that's quite a big shop actually in here. Wow, got some people. Yeah, we've got some people. Okay, so this is a first video in London when I came, and you're probably thinking, wow, is that really London? But this, so, while I'm staying in London, I want to go to the places that has a bit more vibe, you know. It's like vibrant, like has some vibe, and I want you to see, I wanted to show you something more different, you know, rather than go to some shops and show you some shops around. Okay, so that's the train station there. If you go up these stairs in there, you go on the trains. And then in here, this kind of, I think it used to be some shops in here, but I can't see it anymore. Maybe because of the COVID. Got other shops. Okay, so what I've noticed that in this area there are many homeless people. I don't know why. Is it gonna be the same in all the other places or not? But I think we will find out. it's a little bit sad looking at them, you know, asking for the money, but we don't know how they live and what's the life they had to go through and why they ended up on a street. Okay, so I walked around, I went there around these buildings and came in here. Now we're going to go this way. I think that's where the nightclub is. Got another market going on. Shall we go there or? Okay, I think we're just gonna go there a little bit. I wanna see what they sell. Okay, so this market is quite empty. They sell some food in here. Got some other shops. Okay, it's not much going on, so I think I'll head back. Oh, okay, so they do sell some perfume in here.
Hello.
That's a van that sells perfume in here. Okay, what else? What interesting we've got in there? So I can see my battery is kind of going down, so I think I'm gonna have to change my battery soon, but we can still keep going there. So I was thinking when I come back to London, they're gonna have to, well, people are gonna be wearing masks and all that, but it doesn't even feel that COVID was hit in here so bad. Everything is so chilled out now. There's no need to wear the masks, you know. Oh, that's a nice building in there. I like these kind of buildings. It looks so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna cross that street and I'll see in a bit. Right guys, so that's the one. That's the Brixton Academy. So as I said, I used to go clubbing there quite often. Wow, not much changed actually. I wonder if they're still open in here. Wow, but that's an old building as well if you look at it. It's not new. They might refurbish or something. Wow. And it's kind of famous as well. Right, so I think I will head back to the station and I'm gonna go to the next place. Not sure where, but you will find out very soon. So the way I'm going to do videos in London, I think I'm gonna go to a place and I'm gonna be exploring it rather than do small videos in many places and put it in one. So it will be a few separate videos of different places where probably gonna find it interesting to watch it. Right, saying that guys, if you like this video, like it, subscribe it, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.